So when we talk about the networking services on the platform of Azure, so here you can see at initial level, for the purpose of security, we have network security groups. And when I click on this option, network security group, all NSG or all network security groups will be appeared on my screen. And if I want to explore individual network security groups which is attached with any virtual machine by default, so for that purpose I need to go and explore my demo machine, which is Windows 10 Docker. So here you can see I have a demo VM with the public IP address and private IP address. When I click on the networking option, so by default here you can see I have network security group with the name of Windows 10 Docker 1 NSG 376 and attached to Windows 10 Docker interface. And if you want to create any inbound rule or any outbound rule inside this default NSG, so you can implement lots of filtering rules regarding protocols, regarding the ports and regarding the services. So here I have two major options. The first one is inbound rule and the second one is outbound rule. So few rules created by default, as you can see over here. By default, rule 300 is created with the name of RDP and its port is 3389 and protocol is TCP. So you can access this RDP, you can access this virtual machine by remote desktop session from any source. So here as I mentioned previously, you can filter your traffic on the basis of source, on the basis of destination, protocol, port and services as well. So by default there are a few rules created, and if you need to create other rules on as per your organizational requirement or as per your client requirement, so you can create inside any NSG. So if I want to customize the rule, here I have RDP session. Now here you can see I select source port ranges and any destination. In the destination I select any, and as a service I select over here RDP. And if I move forward, here you can see I have protocols, any protocol, TCP, UDP, ICMP. So I have four major options when I'm trying to implement any inbound or outbound rule for any virtual machine inside Microsoft Azure. And here I have action. If I allow this rule, then you can make the session via remote desktop protocol, and if I deny it, then this virtual machine will drop all remote desktop sessions whenever any user try to access this VM by remote desktop session. And here you can see I have the priority. So priority means that when you have a less number in priority, so it will get high priority regarding the implementation, and when you higher the number, then it will be less prior whenever any virtual machine try to process or filter traffic for their NSG rule. So very simple options available inside network security group. So if I want to verify these firewall settings, or if I want to verify or edit any other rules, I can also perform all these actions inside Microsoft Azure. So let's customize this rule and verify that our remote desktop session is working or not, and then after we will go and create some other rules on basis of protocols and services as well. So let's move now.